species unlocked. You were down there forever.
I was at 83.
What was the dive time?
31.
Nice dive, bro. Nice.
Doing dives.
Dude, that was sick. There was like 8 or 9 of them.
Dude, that's a stud.
Yeah, very happy. Thanks, bro. Yeah, hey, there was a blue trevally too. Yeah, heck yeah. Stoked, man. Beautiful fish, great shot too.
So the one that came was sitting on top of the reef, bro. Right on top.
Look at that. Got a little moo. Beautiful. Got it right in the face. Actually, I got it right here, through here, and then back through the face. Check out these teeth. Oh yeah. This is officially my biggest moo. All right, so it was a little windy. I got my moo. Conditions weren't great. It was kind of dirty too. So check this out. We're out here, island. We're gonna barbecue up. We're gonna cook some fish. We got some ukus. We got coconuts and stuff that we're gonna be scrubbing. Lolo is crushing this coconut. Dang, that made a lot.
You can try it.
Yeah?
Yes.
It's like an almond joy.
Good, eh?
Yeah. Pretty sick. So we're gonna get this fire going. We're gonna cook our fish on these coals. Okay, the Dexter. I've actually only filleted one uku ever. And it was in Hawaii, and it was not even half the size of this. And this was the small one.
Yeah.
I pulled it out of the cooler and I was like, hey Dan, I think this is the big one. He was like, no. They have a big rib cage set, huh?
Yeah. The meat looks nice and firm, eh?
Yeah, it's good. Letting it sit for a day definitely helped.
What's up, cameraman?
I thought you had a long neck there.
Not bad, huh? Look at this meat. Oh Oh, it's going. It's just yeah. First.
Woo! Nice job, nice job.
Nice jobby.
Nice job on the job, eh?
Nice job on the jobby, aye.
That's what we want on the inside.
What you got there, Steve?
Got a coconut I just shoved. Now I'm scraping the insides out.
Ooh.
So we can use it on our fish.
What's there?
Now. Oh.
Mmm. Yummy. Yummy, you want some?
This is a nice one.
I know it's nice and light.
So check this out. Lolo, do it.
You know what this is called? Lolo.
This is called Lolo?
The coconut milk is called Lolo.
Milk, coconut milk is Lolo.
This is Lolo.
Wow. Wow.
Our glass cup is here, boys, for the beer. When you want
Wow.
to,
So this is the half of the waloo. So if you look at the meat,
Oh.
white, just like. Cheers, boys.
Give me that.
Sick. And then we're gonna do this footballer hole right here.
There you go, buddy.
We're gonna scale this guy because we're gonna do him whole.
What are you doing, Lolo?
Including the cheeks. All right. Now she's gilled and gutted. I'm gonna go clean her off in the ocean real quick. Check this out. Tongs made out of palm tree. We're mixing eggplant, coconut juice, lime, and what else?
Lime.
And lime, that's it. And then a little bit of sea salt, and that's gonna be our sauce that we dip the fish in. So now we got the footballer right here. We got all the other fish ready to go. Coals right there. And the sun's starting to come out. Dobby!
Wow, that is golden brown.
Wow.
It's so hot. Holy yum. You try that.
Dig in.
So this is the waloo. Wow. Waloo with coconut milk and lemon and lime.
I really got it's not better than uku.
Better than uku.
I like the uku.
Okay, we're a split decision, so that means I win. Different. It's completely different. You can't. This almost tastes like crawfish. Yeah?
It's a little fishier.
It almost tastes like crawfish out of Louisiana. Man.
Oh yeah.
That's
Footballer.
That's good.
Wow. Footballer wins. Wow, it's so soft.
Yeah.
That's so good.
This fish is nice when you steam it.
So this is that dip that we put.
Just eat the white part.
there.
That's good.
How good?
I think uku wins.
If you want some lemon, squeeze a bit of lemon if you want.
So good.